Chengda Yich Mechanical Technology Co., Limited, professional spray painting equipment supplier. Company overview. Chengda Yich Mechanical Technology Co., Limited is a leading company specializing in the development, production, and promotion of professional spray painting equipment. With years of experience in the industry, we are committed to providing high-quality, innovative, and efficient solutions for various painting applications. Our products are widely used in industries such as automotive, construction, furniture, and industrial manufacturing. Product range. We offer a wide range of professional spray painting equipment, drying machines, including, but not limited to, 1. Spraying gun paint sprays, ideal for large-scale projects, providing high efficiency and uniform coating, suitable for doors, walls, ceilings, and other large surfaces. 2. HVLP, high volume low pressure, spray guns, designed for precision work with automatic spraying painting line, perfect for automotive refinishing, furniture, and detail projects. 3. Paint booths, customizable paint booths for woodworking doors, furniture, kitchen, industrial use, equipped with advanced filtration and ventilation systems. 4. Paint mixing systems, automated and manual paint mixing solutions for accurate color matching, compatible with various paint types and viscosities. 5. Accessories and consumables, nozzles, hoses, filters, and other accessories to enhance the performance of your equipment. Why choose us? High-quality products. Our equipment is manufactured using premium materials and advanced technology to ensure durability and performance. Innovative solutions. We continuously innovate to meet the evolving needs of our customers. Global standards. Our products comply with international quality and safety standards. Customer support. We provide comprehensive after-sales service, including technical support and maintenance. Applications. Our spray painting equipment is suitable for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, doors, paint finishing and repair, industrial coating, furniture and woodworking, construction and decoration. Contact us. For more information about our products and services, please feel free to contact us. Website http://www.qdyich.com. Email info@qdyich.com. Phone 00861593109809 0086186602986227. Chengda Yich Mechanical Technology Co., Limited is your trusted partner for professional spray painting equipment. Let us help you achieve flawless finish and maximize efficiency in your projects.